Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about planes of veterinary anatomy. Why planes are important? Let's first of all discuss why planes are important. Planes with in anatomy we have to describe a position where it is present. Then in this particular perspective we need planes. uh, Need certain planes that we can describe an organ or in skeleton or skeleton kind of bones like muscles. In this part of scenario we need and try particular positions where planes. First of all discuss about planes. Okay, let's start our today's topic. Okay, first of all, which plane we have to discuss? mm, First of all, median plane. Look at this picture, we can see median plane. That vision of median plane, a plane which can divide the body into equal halves. That means the plane that divides the whole body into two equal parts, that makes the body parts into two equal parts which are identical to each other. This is the plane which is we call as median plane. This present different. The presence of median plane is different for different different ones. Actually, we study in 10 plus 2 or intermediate in NCERT test. There is a radial plane like similar to the median plane. As much I know. Okay, this is a median plane. We can see this is a median plane, which is um the part of ox bone cutting into two equal parts. This is the median plane. What I am showing now. This is median plane. See here, dividing two equal halves from head to tail. This here, plane, two equal halves. We are seeing from lateral side. Hmm? Okay, let's dive into another plane, which is transverse plane. This transverse plane. In transverse plane, we are going to discuss two parts. Transverse plane. It is nothing but transverse plane. It's similar. It's perpendicular to both horizontal plane and transverse plane. Transverse plane is perpendicular to both horizontal plane and medial plane. You can see here, na? No, from head to tail, it is medial plane of ox. It is different. Okay? It is medial plane. Then horizontal plane, which is lines along the horizontal. First of all, we have to discuss horizontal plane. It is easier to understand transverse plane. This is horizontal plane. Na? This is horizontal plane which lies horizontally. Okay, horizontal plane which lies horizontal. The name itself tells about horizontal plane lies itself horizontal. Horizontal plane lies horizontally. Then we're going to discuss about transverse plane. Transverse plane, as I told in previously, transverse plane is perpendicular plane of both horizontal plane and medial plane. You can see this is nothing but when you, as I said, when you see pictures of transition picture, like what inside it's transverse plane. This is transverse plane. In transverse plane, we are going to have two things, which is near and away. Near and away, na? We have to say near and heavy in the perspective of particular point, no? In the perspective of particular point, its surface, and you say mm, near the surface is lateral, away from the surface is medial. That means when we go to na, mm, it's quite difficult to understand. Let's try to make it simple. Transverse plane. Transverse planes have two things, lateral and medial. In plane, na, transverse plane near to the medial plane. You can see here. Na? Can see here. In particular object, na? Can see that. Can see this arrow. I think so. Can see this arrow of medial, which is left side, and lateral, which is right side. It is different from what channels. In this particular scenario, I'm showing this right there. It is different from left and right. Medial plane means medial plane means medial means near to the median plane. Medial means near to the median plane. Lateral means away from the medial plane. It is the good thing to understand the medial and lateral. Don't confuse me. Medial means medial to the medial plane. Medial means near to the medial plane. Lateral means away from the medial plane. Okay. This is transverse plane. These are the three planes we can understand. From okay, let's come to lateral side. Hmm, Lateral side. Lateral side. You can see here. This is lateral side. We are going to view on lateral side. This is lateral side, and this is also lateral side. This is lateral side. You can see in lateral side. You have to describe head and tail. We are going to scientific diagnosis. Like head means cranial. Cranial means cranial cavity. Cranial is like that. Cranial means head side, and caudal. Caudal means nothing but tail. Caudal means tail side. From starting from the middle of the middle from was from head, that is cranial side. Wow. From middle of the body, that means from here this plane transverse plane to tail will going to, that is caudal side. This is the sides. When we are moving towards the head, that is cranial side. When you are moving towards the caudal side, it's tail. What's moving to the tail, that is caudal side. No? Okay, next, let me describe about dorsal and ventral. In particular, dorsal and ventral is different for human beings and animals. I'm going to discuss. Ventral means, actually ventral means when we have belly, that means have stomach. That is ventral side. But it is also like described in veterinary anatomy that a part of body which is facing towards the ground. Part of body which is facing towards the ground, that is ventral. Mm. This is what I say. No? In ventral and veterinary anatomy and in human anatomy, it's different. Ventral. Ventral is the part of body which is facing towards the ground. Then dorsal, the part of body which is away from the ground. That means which is away from the ground. Why? Head and tail, na? Head and tail. For suppose tail is facing towards ground, head is facing away from the ground. No? That is like similar kind of scenario. You can talk like that. Like the remaining school distant proximity. Let's see about distant proximity. Little zoom. Still proximal. Distal means proximal. Specify or distal means proximal. That means how much near. That means how much near to this, how much far to this. We can say this. We can use these two words. The distance between body parts, where it present near to this or away from this. We can describe. Na? Mm, Proximal means near to this. We have to specify. We have to compare with this one. How much far from this? This is like kind of scenario. That means here this proximal means near to the body. Distal means away from the body. You can say simply proximal means near to the body. Distal means away from the body. Simple. Near to the body, away from the body. Near to the body is proximal. You can see this arrow indicates near to the body, going to the body part. Yeah, going to the body. Distal means it is going towards away from the body part. That is distal. That's we have to discuss about food. In food, na, say this is ventral. We can say here palmar. Palmar. The part of foot which is uh, facing towards the ground is palmar, and the part of foot which is not facing towards the ground, that is dorsal. Dorsal. Then what things are left? Then playing over here. Then over here. Rostal means near to the nose. Like we can describe the part of mm, anything which is facing towards nose. We can say rostal to the nose. Rostal. Rostal. We can use rostal like kind of towards the nose. Anything is present towards the nose. Then we can say rostal.